Hi guys, my name is Vasya. I'm living here in Russia. We shooting this video in Russia, in a city near Moscow that laying in 800 kilometers. Sorry for my bad English. I'm speaking very bad, but anyway, me and my friend, we wanna make some project to tell you about how we live in this country. I know that you see all and you get all information from media, internet, TV, and I think maybe it's right that your government gives you, but I want to give you our look in our country. Let's call it real Russia. It's a little rainy right now. It's evening. Anyway, in this project we will be talking about our country, our culture, many interesting things, stuffs, and things like that, like our home, our people, our girls for boys, our boys for girls. Yes, we'll shoot it. About our music maybe, but I don't like Russian music. Anyway, we'll do it. Here my friend Dima. Dima, shoot yourself.
Hello.
Now it's really rainy and I think this video won't be too long. It will be a little shorter, but it's first time. So I want to start tell you about now we in park. It's one of our 3 parks in my city. My city consists of about almost 1 million people. Not big city. In Moscow, for example, in Moscow, you can see, maybe you know, they're living about 65 million people. So our city is smaller. In Russia you can find many cultures, many races, many nationalities, but you can also find guys who come to live here, like from Africa, from Kazakhstan, from nearest governments and countries, and your native people too. Only a little percent lives here from USA. They came here to live in. Most of our people wanna get out of this place, get out of this country, because all is about problems of living here, like money, people, not good, not bad, but people, and some say it's only beers and vodka, but I think you don't see beers and vodka. On the right of me, shoot, guys playing football, guys on the bikes, and on the left side of me, here, dim. It's park and people. Not too much. So there's no beers, there's no vodka, there's no matryoshka. I think it's okay for now. We'll shoot another video soon. It will be special line on our project, and some lines will be going on about something side by side. So My name is Vasya. We in Russia right now. It's Project Real Russia. Dima. So I think we will finish right now. It's cold here, and we wanna go home and doing our stuff. So goodbye. See ya.